want to try?
Yes.
Kain tayong frog.
Hello guys, so Mama was gonna get frog.
Are you gonna eat also?
Yes.
Are you sure?
I can hold it with one hand.
Ano?
So Papa will getting also following you.
Tikman. Kami, we're just gonna try.
We're just gonna try. Dun, dun, dun.
Anak, baka mahulog.
Not yet. So, hello guys. We are just fixing the brinjal. Enough, Mama, enough.
Dalawa pa lang eh.
Okay, enough. Enough. You said, I said enough. Mama, so hello
Papa?
guys. This is
Apat
the
lang.
frog.
A few moments later.
Bango naman pa. Bagay din pala. Bango. Para siyang malunggay din.
Sige nga, try mo nga.
It's not spicy, but Mama is eating my food. Watch, please. No, I can do it by myself.
Mary, kumain ng maayos ha.
I think you can do better, Mary. Hindi ganyan ang pagkain. Ano ka?
So hot.
Yun ang blow eh. I-blow mo eh. Kung mainit, i-blow mo.
Hello guys, so Mary is eating the frog now. Anong lasa?
I want to it's not for you. Because I'm the cat.
It's good?
If I tap on the cat,
It's good?
she already knew my
Good? Hmm?
I want to show them also. This the frog.
Yeah, that's a frog.
Huh?
Frog lahat yan.
Huh?
Frog lahat yan.
Eh. Don't go down, Mr. Froggy. Eh.
Ano? Sabi mo?
Don't go down with the frog.
Paano pag sinagot ka? Yes, Mary. Oh, yeah.
Hey, me. Boom.
Weird.
Hey. That's too lazy right there. Hey, no, Mr. Die.
Kapag lumaki-laki ka ng konting arte, yuck! Ew! Frog!
Who's that? Me?
No, I didn't say. You might. When you get a little bit older, you might say, yeah, Papa, that's a frog. Ew, Kadiri, you're eating frogs. You're making kokak-kokak na. Bakit yung...
Si ano nga, sabi niya tawang-tawa si Teacher D sa kanya.
Ah,
Kasi, kumakain ng cricket si Teacher D.
hmm.
Tapos nung inufora niya si Mary, kinuha niya daw kaagad. Kasi meron yung one time, nagpalaw si Teacher D sa akin, parang, nila, snack time nila. Tapos binigyan siya ng cricket. Tinanong ako ni Teacher D kung kumakain siya. Sabi ko, yes. Binigyan ka. Pagka ganun pala kayo, pinain. Yung sapon na kayo nga lang. Tawang-tawa si Teacher D sa kanya.
Wow, sarap na sarap si Madam Liit sa pagkain ng frog. Ang dami niya nakain. Oh, ubos na. You like it, Mary? Huh? How's the taste? Gusto mo yung taste ng frog? Oh, simot na simot.